Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we are on a mission to get stuff out of the trash and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. We've got some high clouds going on with some contrails. And we've got a piece of electronics, and we've got some what's probably going to be helium steel. All right, this is a nice old-fashioned VHS. It's funny we call these old-fashioned. These used to be all the rage, right? Oh well. Always good to make sure there's nothing hiding inside of these things so that you don't break your back when you go to lift it up. Oh, big old microwave. This day turned out to be a very interesting day. We had weird wildlife, we had scrap, and yes, we even had law enforcement activity. You just got to stick around to see this all, because I tell you, you just can't make this stuff up. I know. Should have parked closer, huh? Yep. It's all part of the exercise routine. Right. Keep telling yourself that, Sharky. So I'm blocking this driveway, but I know these people. And I know that they're already out at work. Got some aluminum. And you're a long one. So lift up the car a little bit, the Sharkmobile a little bit. I've had a few commenters suggest that I carry a Sawzall and just cut these things up while I'm out on the street. That's not a problem. I have a Sawzall, but I specifically don't do that because, as you can tell, these are a little bit nicer neighborhoods. It's a little bit early in the morning. I just don't think that they would appreciate some chucklehead being out on the street, cutting stuff right out there on the street. And I try very hard to always make a good impression with people when I meet them, when I see them. I don't want to give them any reason or any motivation to complain to the police, complain to the city councils, complain to the local governments or the homeowners association, and make it difficult for street scrappers, including me, to do what we do. So that's why I don't take a Sawzall with me and cut stuff up on the street. What do you think? Core food time? Is it cord food time? Or has a cutter already been here? Aha! Almost got faked out. Almost. Cord footage. It's a little piece of metal. Ooh, soda stream. I have a soda stream. Those are fun. Get the different flavors and make your own sparkly water. You can make your own soda, or if you don't want a full-blown on soda, you can just make sparkly water with a little hint of flavor to it. It's really cool. Gonna go ahead and put my 200 and I think I'm 220 right now. to work on that one. Okay, I think somebody was doing a little house renovating. And they left the goodies for the shark. See, this is why you check your mirror before you open the door. Oh, isn't this going to be nice? Look at all this. Then we got to get those guys situated, and then we got to get these guys. We got to get everybody situated. And we're just going to take a lot of this stuff the way it is, not even mess with it. I think we're going to go ahead and take that stuff back to the shark cage to work on it. Ooh, you're just trash. Motors and more fans. Hey, that reminds me, if you haven't seen the comparison video I did on fan motors, you might want to take a look at it. I'm going to put the link right up there in the upper right for you. It's not a how to break down ceiling fans. It's a comparison of selling the motor that's inside the ceiling fans as a motor versus getting the copper out of them and the cost-benefit analysis. So like I said, that's the link up there, take you to that little video. Now let's go ahead and keep breaking some arms here. But I think we're getting a little bit tight for space in there, so we're just gonna put you down here for now. Oh. Tape measure. Why do I get the tape measure out? Because there's ubiquitous wire shelving. Dun dun dun. Oh man. All right, let's see. What do we got going here? Hey, you're an interesting tote. And a bucket. A tote and a bucket. I might be interested in these. I'm not interested in the palette. We got a couple of buckets here. This one appears to be somewhat distorted and broken. You have some sort of cleaning smell to you. Some oil or something down inside of that one. It's a little bit cracked, but that's all right. Get you squashed down a little bit. Then we free up the ubiquitous wire shelving. Yay! Whew. All right, 2 pieces. Let's get them organized properly. Gonna help you out here. There's 2 pieces of equal size. And if you've been paying attention and you know how big my truck bed is, you have a real good idea what we're dealing with. Now I'm gonna measure it just to be sure. Look at those. There's some nice dowels. Nice dowels if you need them. Nice dowels even if you don't need them. Do I want to take another bucket? I broke a couple of buckets recently. So yes, I think I will take another bucket. Looks like a bread maker. Or an ice maker maybe. Because it feels kind of heavy, and that looks like a heat exchanger, so yeah, I'm going with ice maker. What do we have here? Metal, metal. Hello everybody, how you liking me now? Helium tank, that's easy enough to deal with. All I got to do is punch some holes in it. Anything else around here that all right, all right. That's funny. Ubiquitous wire shelving is now hiding from the shark. Hiding from me. Just a little piece of metal in there. That's a nice bin for stuff. I got a nice big old bin for dog food for Lulu. Really good bin too. We've had it for years. And the bugs have never gotten in it. Get you measured up real quick. Put you someplace where you're not going to be rolling around causing problems. Put you inside here for the time being. How's that sound? Mini fridge, what has seen better days. Alright. I could really use Paul's snap tool right now. I keep applying and they keep rejecting me for some reason. I don't know why. It's like, do I not have good credit or something? More ubiquitous wire. We're waking up for not having found ubiquitous wire shelving on our last street scrapping adventure. That's what's going on here. Two pieces. So now we're up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 total pieces. And let's see. G-Man is back there. Maybe a block. Ooh. I'm not worried about you falling out, but I am worried about you sticking out Jiminy Christmas, that's a long one. It's a bent aluminum ladder. Aluminum. Wonder how you managed to get bent. Get bent. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Is that a whole trampoline? Baby gates. It's a weird kind of looking trampoline thing. Let's do the trampoline thing first. There's like a little Tykes trampoline thing. Can I get it? Okay, we can get it like that. And we can get that. And that. And that. I am not going to sit here and pick off all these springs. I'll grab what I can, I think. And the baby gates. You know what? Maybe that's not that bad. Since I have to go to the shark cage anyway, I can bust or cut a lot of that off. And this stuff should bust off pretty easy, I should think. All right, police crime scene unit. I might need to tie you in better. That'll be sufficient. Well, hopefully you all can see that beautiful hawk. So it would appear that I picked up a passenger. I don't know how this little guy got in there, in the Sharkmobile, but we'll hopefully figure out how to get him out. Well, there's something you don't see every day at the scrapyard. A whole bunch of police officers. got a half dozen police cars there. Wonder what that's all about. Well, let's unload our 360 pounds of steel at 10.25 cents a pound for a total of $36.90. And then let's go find out what all those police officers are all about. Oh my God, you can't make this stuff up. So it turns out somebody had stolen a car and the police were following it, and the guy brought it here to sell some of the scrap that was in the car. And then to make it even funnier, it turns out there were drugs in the car. Oh my God. Oh, this is just freaking hilarious. Hey, if you enjoyed this one, because I sure did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the little icon that's going to be in the middle of the two links that are popping up to take you to more of my street scrapping videos. I don't think we're going to find a lot more police officers and drug busts at the scrapyard, but hey, you never know. Have a great one, y'all.